My name is Adebayo Animashaun. I'm currently working as a residential counselor in a group home. I'm on my way to become a AWS Cloud Engineer. Hi, my name is Adebayo Animashaun. I'm currently working as residential counselor in a group home. I'm planning to become AWS Cloud Engineer. Apart from planning to become an AWS Cloud Engineer, I currently take care of my kids, which take a lot of my time. But I believe working as a cloud engineer, I can work remotely, which is going to make me have time for my kids and myself. I started my AWS journey because I have a background in IT, but basically because everybody's moving into cloud and which is more of interest to me. So I choose to become a cloud engineer because everybody is now moving to cloud. I encounter a lot of challenges while moving this role from a residential counselor to become AWS engineer. Part of the challenges I encounter was writing codes. Never write codes in my entire life. Learning how to write codes in Linux is a little bit challenging, but it's a good thing to know. In 5 years from now, I see myself to be one of the tech guys in town that will add to their environment in IT. In 5 years' time, I would like to see myself being a senior cloud engineer and to help people to solve any IT related issue. I believe this new career I'm into is going to help my figure because being a cloud engineer is going to be a 6-figure job. Then I am going to help my family financially. For those who are stuck in their career life, who doesn't decide yet on what to do, strongly advising everyone to try as much as possible to learn Linux and, if possible, become AWS and cloud engineer. I am advising everyone to turn into Linux or AWS because financially it's going to increase the take-home income. And apart from that, you have a flexibility of working from home.